Have you ever stood outside your workplace on the first day, taking a deep breath and thinking, can I really do this?
Your hands feel a little cold, your heart beats faster, and your mind keeps asking, what if I make a mistake? What if people judge me? What if my English is not good enough?
Listen carefully. This moment, this fear, is not your weakness.
This is the beginning of your growth.
Every confident person you see today was once nervous, confused, and scared just like you.
But they had one thing. They didn't run away.
They showed up, they tried, they made mistakes, and slowly they became better.
So today, if you are feeling nervous about your first day at the job,
Don't try to be perfect,
just try to be better than yesterday.
because confidence doesn't come from thinking.
It comes from doing.
And yes, you might make mistakes.
But remember this, mistakes are not failures.
They are proof that you are learning.
So instead of saying, I can't speak English,
Start saying, I am learning English.
instead of fear, choose courage.
Instead of doubt, choose action.
Because your small step today,
Can change your whole future tomorrow. And that's exactly why we are here.
to help you speak English confidently in real-life situations.
From job conversations to daily life English.
We cover everything that you actually need.
So, before we start,
Make sure you subscribe to the English Cafe.
because your journey to confidence starts right here, right now.
And today's powerful topic is
Your first day at the job. So, take a deep breath
believe in yourself.
and get ready to learn powerful English.
Let's turn your fear into confidence and start your journey.
Hey, Sophia. Today is my first day at the job. Honestly, I didn't sleep well last night. I kept thinking about today again and again. I feel nervous, excited, and a little scared at the same time.
That's completely natural, Michael. First day always brings mixed feelings. But let me ask you something. Are you ready to learn?
Yes, I am ready. But sometimes I feel like, what if I don't understand things properly?
That's okay. Tell me, do you think anyone understands everything on the first day?
No, I guess not.
Exactly. Then why are you expecting so much from yourself?
I think I'm overthinking.
Yes, you are. Instead of overthinking, focus on learning step by step.
Okay, now we are standing at the office entrance. Let me ask you, what should I do first when I go inside?
Good question. First, greet people with confidence. A simple good morning can create a strong first impression.
And what about body language?
Stand straight, keep a gentle smile, and maintain eye contact. These small things make a big difference.
That sounds simple but powerful. Okay, now I'm going inside. Good morning, I'm Michael. Today is my first day here. Can you please guide me?
Good morning, Michael. Welcome to the team. Sure, I'll help you.
Thank you. Let me ask you, how can I make a good impression on my first day?
Be polite, be active, and listen carefully. Also, don't hesitate to ask questions.
Sometimes I feel shy to ask questions. What should I do?
Remember this. Asking questions is not a weakness. It shows your interest in learning.
Now I think I should meet the manager. But tell me, what should I say to the manager?
Keep it simple and professional. Introduce yourself and express your willingness to learn.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Michael. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm really excited to work here. I just want to ask, what is expected from me as a beginner?
Good morning, Michael. We expect you to be sincere, focused, and ready to learn. That's all.
That sounds clear. And what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are allowed, but repeating the same mistake again and again is not good. Learn from them.
Understood. I will try my best to improve every day. Now I'm starting my work, and I have a question. How can I improve my communication skills at the workplace?
Speak as much as possible. Don't stay silent. Even if your sentences are not perfect, try to express yourself.
Should I focus more on grammar or speaking?
Focus on communication. Grammar will improve automatically with practice.
Now I'm meeting a colleague. Let me ask, what are some good questions to start a conversation?
You can ask simple questions like, where are you from? How long have you been working here? Or, can you guide me about this task?
Hi, I'm Michael. Nice to meet you. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How do you manage your work so efficiently?
I plan my tasks, stay focused, and avoid distractions.
That's helpful. I will try to follow that. Now it's lunchtime. I think this is a good moment to relax, but tell me, should I talk during lunch or stay quiet?
You should talk. Lunchtime is a great opportunity to build connections.
Okay, then let me ask something interesting. What motivates you to work every day?
Growth. I want to become better every day.
That's inspiring. I think I should also focus on growth instead of fear. Now I'm back to work, and I want to ask, how can I avoid mistakes?
Focus, double-check your work, and don't rush.
And if I still make a mistake?
Accept it, fix it, and learn from it.
Oh, I just made a mistake in my report. Let me ask, how should I handle this situation?
Stay calm, don't panic. First, understand the mistake, then correct it.
Should I inform my senior?
Yes, honesty is always the best policy.
Okay, I'll do that. Now the day is almost over. Let me ask one last question. How can I improve faster in this job?
Be consistent, stay positive, and never stop learning.
And what is the biggest mistake beginners make?
They give up too early.
I won't do that. I'll keep going. Honestly, today I learned so many things. In the morning, I was full of fear, but now I feel more confident.
That's because you faced your fear.
Yes, and I realized something. Confidence comes from action, not from thinking.
Exactly. The more you act, the more confident you become.
So, if someone is watching this and feeling scared about their first day, what would you say to them?
I would say, don't wait to feel ready. Start anyway.
And I would say, your first step doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to happen.
Because your future depends on what you do today.
And today is the best day to start. So guys, this was our full conversation on your first day at the job.
And we truly hope that this conversation didn't just teach you English, but also gave you confidence to face real-life situations.
Because in real life, it's not about perfect English.
It's about having the courage to speak.
Remember this, if you feel nervous while speaking English,
It means you are growing.
if you make mistakes,
It means you are learning.
and if you keep trying every single day,
It means success is coming closer to you.
don't wait for the perfect moment.
Create your moment.
Don't wait to become confident.
Start speaking, and confidence will follow you.
And if you really want to improve your English,
Make it a habit. Speak daily. Listen carefully. Practice regularly.
even 10 minutes of daily practice.
Can change your life in the long run.
Now guys, if you found this video helpful,
Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends,
and most importantly, subscribe to the English Cafe.
because on this channel,
We bring you real-life English conversations
daily situations, job interviews, travel talks,
and everything you need to become confident in English.
and now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments.
because your idea can be our next video.
So don't stop here.
Keep learning,
Keep practicing.
keep improving yourself every single day.
And always remember,
Your journey may be slow.
but if you don't stop,
You will definitely reach your goal.
we'll see you in the next video.
Till then,
Stay confident, stay positive, and keep learning English.